Everybody is looking for that dream job. But how do you actually make the switch to a brand new career? Let's break it down. First, identify your skills and interests. What are you good at? What gets you excited? Knowing your strengths is step one. Next, research different careers. Use online resources or hit the library, and don't be shy. Talk to folks in those professions. Consider your education and training. Need more skills? Look into online courses or community colleges. They won't break the bank. Network like a pro. Attend industry events and join professional groups. You'll learn a ton and meet people who could open doors. Don't fear the bottom rung. Starting entry level can build valuable experience. Stay patient and persistent. Career changes take time. Keep going, even if it feels slow. And hey, if you're ready for a fresh start, check out AM2 Techs. We're always looking for talent. For more info, contact us at email address removed or plus 9182,178 56347. Good luck and happy job hunting.